That's Life, and today I am back with another Carebear haul, and everything is from Five and Below. So, let's get started on the posters. So this is a pack of 12 posters, and I'm going to open them up and show you every single one of them because I can't resist. Yeah, it has the pictures on the back, but I'd rather open them up. So I guess you pull them out. Okay, yeah, you'll pull them out of the book. But they're little posters. They're very cute. I'm going to hang them up in my Carebear room hopefully soon. There's this one. I love a lot. We got this. Obviously. That's Carebear, Good Luck, and Carebear. That's Carebear's old Billy badge. Here's Tender Heart. Five and Below gets a lot of neat Carebear stuff. Let's paint the streets yellow. Let's paint the streets yellow. I agree, yellow is my favorite color. Iconic. I like this one. It's really cute. I can't wait to hang these up. Positive Vibes. I've got a few decals that say this. Always a Friend, and that's Best Friend Bear. That's really cute. Oh, almost creased it. Care Bears Forever. Yes, I agree. I'm a Care Bear nut. Always gonna be forever. Wish Big with Wish Bear. Let's see. Oh, here is Funshine and Grumpy. They're very shiny. I like that they had a poster book, and now I got all these little posters. I might put them in a giant frame all together, or I might just leave them separate. I don't know, but I think I'm definitely going to put them in a frame because I want to keep them safe. And there's the bears doing a Care Bear stare in rainbow order. Oh, I love that. There's Cheer Bear, Friend Bear, Funshine, Good Luck, Grumpy, and Share Bear. Yeah, that is all 12 posters. I like that it's in a book, so until I'm ready to hang them, they're all safe. Alright. And then, these I'm super excited about, and if I can find another Five and Below nearby, I'm going to go hopefully find the fourth one. But I've got 3 of the world's smallest bears, and this is series 4. Here is Hopeful Heart Bear, one of my favorites. The one I am missing is Daydream Bear, and that is my husband's favorite, so I really hope I can find it. I really hope so. Here is, what is this one? Work of Heart Bear. It's really cute. This one is True Heart Bear. So I can't remember how much this stuff was, but of course it was all Five and Below. For the most part. I've had a few things that say $5.25. Alright. And then, let's see. There was one more thing that I've misplaced. Other than this. Alright, so it's this little decal, which is really cute. I don't know if I'm going to put it on my car. I might put it on something different. I know it's meant for a car. I don't know. We'll see where I put it. I might put it on the laptop or something. Because I don't really like to put decals on my car. I really don't. But here is this. I've got these iron beads, and I'm going to do these in a short. Well, comment down below if you think I should do a whole video on these or just a short. Because I've got 2 packs, so I can do a whole video or I can do 4 shorts. I might do a whole video. I'm not sure yet. But there they are. I haven't done these in a long time, and I'm really excited to do it. I don't know if it's got the design on the little thing that I'm going to do. I don't know. I haven't opened them yet, and I'm not going to. But that is everything from Five and Below. I know this has been a short video, but I'm very excited with everything I got on this haul. But I hope you guys can go and find something you really like. So don't forget to comment down below what you think I should do on the beads. Have a great day, guys. Bye.